Are you trying to find the best DDR5 RAM for gaming on a budget or with top-tier performance? Don't worry, we've got you covered with a quick, clear breakdown of the best options out there. Today, I'm going to be going over the best DDR5 RAM for gaming that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the crucial CMH32GX5M2B6400C36. From the outset, this memory kit targets mainstream gamers seeking reliable mid to high-end performance without breaking the bank. Its appeal also extends to content creators and developers who value consistent speeds and stable operation under heavy multitasking. Crucial CMH32GX5M2B6400C36 is positioned as a dependable upgrade option for users upgrading from DDR4 or lower capacity kits. Build quality feels sturdy with a low-profile design meant to fit under large air coolers and compact motherboards alike. The module uses a smooth matte finish and carefully chamfered edges to resist fingerprints while maintaining a premium aesthetic. At roughly standard height, it occupies minimal space on the DIMM slot area, ensuring broad compatibility with various memory configurations. Each module integrates 16 GB of capacity, running at an effective DDR5 6400 speed with robust 1.4-volt operation. The kit utilizes on-die ECC to improve data integrity and maintain stability during sustained gaming sessions. Its XMP profile unlocks tighter timings and higher frequencies for enthusiasts willing to push margins beyond standard GDEC presets. In real-world gaming tests, the crucial CP2K16GX64C32U5B delivered stable frame rates with minimal stutter on a high-end Ryzen and Intel builds. Memory bandwidth stayed consistent during long sessions, and sustained throughput stress during benchmarks showed little deviation from expected scores. Compared to a rival 32GB DDR5 kit from another brand, crucial CP2K16GX64C32U5B offered comparable throughput with better thermals. The pros include great value for DDR5 16GB modules, excellent stability under load, and low power consumption at 1.4V. The cons include higher price than comparable DDR5 kits and limited availability in some regions. At number 4, we have the Corsair CMH32GX5M2E6000C36. Initial impressions suggest a premium DDR5 kit aimed at hardcore gamers and creators who demand stability under heavy workloads. Its target audience includes overclocking enthusiasts and PC builders seeking high clock speeds without sacrificing reliability in demanding BCLK and latency scenarios. Its premium packaging and understated branding signal a flagship status aimed at enthusiasts who value build quality and brand reputation. The design features an aluminum heat spreader that dissipates heat efficiently, helping maintain performance under extended gaming sessions. Module height stays within standard bounds for most air coolers, reducing clearance worries during mid-range builds. The kit uses a dual-rank architecture that can improve memory bandwidth utilization on select platforms. XMP3 Zero profile support is included, enabling quick optimization through a single setting in BIOS. The modules ship with XMP3 Zero ready, simplifying the path to rated performance without delicate manual tuning. With 32GB total capacity in a 2x16GB configuration, multitasking and modern titles benefit from larger working sets. During synthetic bandwidth tests, the Corsair CMH32GX5M2E6000C36 delivers strong throughput, frequently surpassing rivals in mixed memory benchmarks across workloads. Real-world gaming frames stay steady during long sessions, with minimal voltage fluctuation and clocks remaining elevated under sustained loads. Power efficiency shows modest gains versus older DDR5 kits, translating to cooler thermals and slightly lower system power draw during idle tasks. Compared to the Skill Ripjaw's 32GB DDR5 kit, the Corsair CMH32GX5M2E6000C36 offers cooler operation and tighter tolerances in demanding workloads. The pros include excellent build quality, high DDR5 6000 speed, and reliable thermal management. The cons include high price and tall height may interfere with large CPU coolers. At number 3, we have the Corsair CMH32GX5M2B6400C36. From the moment unboxed, the Corsair CMH32GX5M2B6400C36 kit presents a clean, understated profile that will blend with most builds. Targeted at enthusiasts seeking high memory bandwidth without RGB distractions, This Corsair CMH32GX5M2B6400C36 aims for a balance of performance and reliability. Gamers and content creators who push memory-heavy workloads will appreciate the marginal gains in frame pacing and multitasking through this kit. The build quality feels premium thanks to a robust aluminum heat spreader that dissipates heat efficiently during extended gaming sessions. Its compact form factor and tight pin layout ensure easy installation in most mid-tower enclosures without clearance issues. The finishing appears understated and durable, featuring a matte surface that resists fingerprints while maintaining a clean, integrated look. Operating at 6400 MT per second, this kit pushes DDR5 performance into mainstream high-end territory for gamers and creators. It ships as a 32GB kit in a dual 16GB configuration, optimized for dual-channel bandwidth and motherboard compatibility. XMP3, zero readiness, and tight CL36-like latency provide smoother loading and quicker data access under demanding workloads. In synthetic testing, it delivers near top-tier bandwidth with strong memcopy results, translating into higher frame rates in RAM-sensitive titles. Real-world gaming tests show smooth textures, reduced stutter during heavy multitasking, and consistent frame pacing across several modern titles. Power delivery remains manageable within standard 1.35V DDR5 guidelines, preserving system thermals while maintaining stable operation under sustained loads. Compared to the G.Skill Trident Z5 DDR5 32GB kit, the Corsair CMH32GX5M2B6 offers similar bandwidth with tighter CL36 timings. The pros include high-speed 6400 MHz, ample 32GB capacity for multitasking, and excellent heat dissipation keeping performance stable under load. The cons include premium price and the necessity of a modern DDR5 platform, which limits compatibility for older systems and budget builds. At number 2, we have the crucial CP2K16G64C36U5B. This memory kit immediately signals premium targeting builders and enthusiasts seeking maximum multitasking headroom for modern games and content creation. It arrives as a high-capacity, multi-module kit that promises future-proofing for heavy RAM workloads and streaming setups. Crucial has built this kit with robust alloy heat spreaders and precise die stamping to maintain performance under sustained load. The kit is designed for standard desktops with a height compatible with most air and AIO coolers, keeping clear access to slots. The heat spreaders adopt a low profile but still offer sufficient surface area for thermal dissipation during extended gaming sessions. Each module uses high-grade memory ICs and precisely engineered PCB traces to optimize signal integrity, stability, and overclocking potential. This kit is rated for excellent throughput, with low latency timing around CL38, translating into smoother frame pacing and snappier system responsiveness. In practical gaming workloads, you can expect marginal wins in titles that saturate memory bandwidth, with noticeable gains in multitasking benchmarks. During long gaming sessions, the kit maintains stable temperatures and avoids thermal throttling, thanks to efficient heat spreaders and solid contact. It is built to support most modern motherboards and profiles, with XMP ready to achieve rated speeds once configured in BIOS. The kit includes dual or quad-channel compatibility depending on motherboard, enabling higher bandwidth when paired with compatible CPUs and platforms. Compared to the Corsair Vengeance DDR5 kit, the crucial CP2K16G64C38U5B offers similar bandwidth at a more accessible price per gigabyte. The pros include 64GB total capacity, excellent heat management, and competitive price per gigabyte. The cons include higher price per gigabyte compared to entry-level DDR5 kits, and the need for occasional BIOS tuning on certain boards. At number 1, we have the crucial CP2K60C36U5B. From the moment you unbox it, this kit feels purpose-built for gamers seeking reliable DDR5 performance without unnecessary frills. The 16GB total capacity is paired with a sturdy heat spreader and a compact footprint designed to fit most modern gaming rigs. Its design emphasizes simplicity, avoiding flashy RGB in favor of consistent thermals and straightforward compatibility across recent motherboard generations. The DDR5 6000 MHz speed rating translates into higher bandwidth for multitasking and gaming, while maintaining reasonable latency for smoother experiences. CL36 latency ensures competitive timings relative to similarly spec'd kits, enabling efficient data access patterns under streaming textures and physics calculations. In practice, the kit remains stable during long gaming sessions and extended benchmarks, resisting throttling while maintaining consistent frame pacing. Compared to the Corsair Vengeance DDR5 6000CL38 16GB kit, the CP2K60C36U5B delivers similar gaming performance with a friendlier price. The pros include excellent value for DDR5 6000, broad platform compatibility, and reliable build and warranty. The cons include higher price compared to entry-level kits and limited overclocking headroom when using stock cooling on some motherboards. Extended testing results show steady performance across games like Halo Infinite and Cyberpunk 2007 with high texture settings. Thermal stayed within safe thresholds despite prolonged loads thanks to the integrated heat spreader and tidy module spacing. Compatibility checks confirm smooth operation with both latest Intel and AMD platforms through XMP profiles and BIOS memory recognitions. Pricing dynamics vary by region, but widespread availability and occasional promotions help maintain competitive value for 16GB kits. In practice, this memory kit remains a compelling option for builders prioritizing speed, reliability, and straightforward compatibility within new generation systems.